see you come in. Why didn't you introduce yourself? That's how people get shot. My name's Uncle Chauncey, also known as the Beast of America, also known as the Lockharts campaign manager. Welcome, fellow patriots and patriots in training. You might be asking yourself, why is this idiot popped up in my feed again? Why am I seeing this jerk? It's time to check something out. And I'm not talking about that thing that you always get checked out. We all know that it burns when you pee because you're so spicy. No, I'm talking about the 2020 election. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, we all know that the current president is a joke. Starting Iran, more like I ran to your mom's house. And then we had consensual sex because I put time and effort into my relationships. Also my penis. Looking to get products and have the country ran by some sort of sissy that if they had patriotism crawl up their ass and pop out of their mouth into their light beer, they wouldn't even notice? Or do you want products made by Americans so patriotic that rumor has it that Sam Elliott, Tom Selleck, and Burt Reynolds' ghost lives in his mustache? Choice is clear. Give Lockharts Goon Grease Easy Wash a try. It's as easy to wash out as your blood on my shirt when I walk into your wake wearing said shirt. If you don't buy the Easy Wash, that is. Hold on a second. It's Easy Wash. Look at that. We already cut 3 letters out. We're already saving you time, baby. Let me show you a few pictures of this goodness right here. I mean, that's what I thought. 6 to midnight, am I right? And don't worry, the Goon love you, ladies. We got Mrs. Lockhart up there running for vice president right along Mr. Lockhart. So don't worry, smash that like button like you're smashing the patriarchy. Remember, this 4th of July, exercise your freedom by cracking a cold one, join some explosions, doing whatever you want, and exercising your right to choose Lockharts Authentic. I'm not asking you to sell out or anything. I mean, what kind of pathetic loser would do that, am I right? Just thinking about sellout just stuffs me up. That's why I take flow days every day. Oh, Jesus. Gives me a headache, honestly, thinking about how unpatriotic people are. That's why I take a leave, honestly. And you know what? I like to wash it down with a nice Pepsi. Oh. Remember to make America great again by voting Goon Grease for president. We'd hate if Grandma took a tumble down the stairs now, wouldn't we? Let's make Election Day an erection day. A vote for Goon Grease is a vote for the future. I'll be seeing each and every one of you very, very soon.